Hey YouTube, I just want to make a quick little video. I haven't seen this done on YouTube yet, so I thought I would help some folks out. I'm super tired, super annoyed. What we're talking about is, you see the title, I'm replacing this blower motor resistor. That's actually a MOSFET or whatnot. I couldn't find anywhere that actually showed where it was, and honestly, I won't be able to show you quite either, but I can kind of show you what I did to be able to remove it. So first of all, you have to remove this carpet a little bit. Just pull it back. There's a plastic piece here. I just pried that out. You need to pull this up to remove this plastic piece. Carpet is pulled back here, as you can see. Then you got this plastic piece here. There's a flap that I opened up as well. And then on this back wall, you can see there's also another plastic. There was where I'm going to shine this light. Right there is a little nut that looks like this. It's a 10mm nut. I took that out, and what I did was I wedged a wrench right behind it, so that way I can get more room up in here. All right, I took the blower motor out. Took the what is this called, a glove box. I'm super tired, so my words might not make sense. It's super hot in the garage, and I've been at this for more than 4 hours. Have fat hands, so I'm looking this way. I'm gonna sweep in so you can see what I'm looking at here. So this is where the blower motor would sit normally, and then what you have to do is you have to put your hand back here. So what I did was I put my hand back here, and when you put the wrench there behind that, it pulls it out. You can see there, it pulls it out just like maybe half an inch, but that's just enough to put your hand back here, because you want to get all the way in the back. And in yours, you'll be able to see, you see where that opening is. Let me see if I can shine a light. You see that opening right there? There's where the resistor heatsink would be, and the bolts are on the left and right of that. And you kind of got to feel for it, and kind of loosen the bolts. Now, the good news is that once you loosen the bolts, you can untighten it by hand. As you can see, I have pretty oh man, did I get sweat? No. Okay, I have pretty large hands, and I was able to do it, but my hands are pretty strong. I have pretty good grip strength, I guess. I use this, which is a 8mm, and to get the first bolt out, and then this one here, which is a deep socket, or whatever you want to call it, a long socket, 8mm as well. And took out the 2 bolts holding, did I lose where did I keep it? Right here, holding this in place. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that bolt, one goes here and one goes in there. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys help you out. This project will kick your butt. I mean, I'm super tired, but you got to keep at it. Make sure you take breaks. I wouldn't recommend really drinking water because you're kind of upside down. So I took out my seat here to help me out. But I would stay hydrated long before, see if you can get some ventilation going in your garage. But I think in total, I put 4 to 5 hours into taking out these 2 damn bolts. The worst part is I have to put it back in. So putting back in, I'm sure is the same thing, just in reverse, hopefully. Fingers crossed. If not, I'll leave a comment or something like that. I just want to make a quick video. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe, but if it helped you out, good for you. If I help one person, it's good. Anyways, take care. Peace.